Both, no? You're finding her much better this season? Correct. No, actually, if you remember last year's eliminator, which we lost by 5 runs, it was very close game. After that, actually, we had a very long chat last season also, and before starting this season, that someone like, especially Nat and Harman, one of them should be there throughout the inning. That's where we were working on that. So she practices a lot against the spin also and against the pace also. So this much is very much focused practice, I would say, where one of them should be there till last, over. That's the thing we were discussing, and that's what she is doing, I guess. That's why this major difference you can see in her batting. But that's the reason, because yes, I mean, the kind of opening partnership we were expecting, that unfortunately didn't happen in first few games. So we just thought that Amelia also, we are not using her. I mean, sometimes she doesn't get much overs or balls, I can say. So, and she used to play that role for her, national team. That's why she was ready. And Kamalini, I would still say, needs some more time on this platform. She's of course ready for that, but again, when it comes to the experience thing, Amelia is ready for that. So this switch, if I say no, that will be like that will be wrong. But yeah, the way suddenly Bharti, I mean, all these like last 2 years, we are seeing Bharti. She's there. We know very well her, potential, but that wasn't coming on this bigger platform. But today she played really well. Then suddenly, maybe after seeing her game, Simran got the, I don't know, some jerk, and she started hitting. It wasn't that we felt that it is going away, but yes, definitely it's gonna be very close game. We had an idea. Excellent catch in the slip, yeah. Even she, I mean, Haley is also taking a lot of efforts. Like if you see initial few matches, even she wasn't clicking. I mean, they all are really great players, but sometimes that form gets missing. But now she's also focusing extra, taking extra, efforts in the practice sessions also. First time I'm seeing her taking slip catches a lot. She's bowling all the batters in the nets as well and doing extra batting. So all this year wants to do really well and reach finals, which we missed last year. Sometimes, like, you expect a lot out of yourself. Like, whatever she's thinking, maybe, or overthinking, and she wants to go and deliver it there because she has done it in past. That is not happening. That's the only thing we see her in this frame of mind. But I'm sure today she did quite well, so this will give her confidence in the coming matches. So today's inning, whatever cameo she played, that was good. So I'm sure she's always confident. She's like really good to have in the side. Only thing, their performances make them feel little up and down, because their role is very important for us. Basically, after number 5, their role comes number 6, 7, 8, which is very crucial. Not in all the games, maybe, but they get chances very rarely. So we always want them to be ready for that. And maybe unfortunately they don't play the same role for their domestic sides. There they play that like top order role, and here their role completely changes. But we prepare them for that, like right from the beginning. They know very well that what will be their role, so that role clarity is there, so maybe execution becomes little easy for them. This is how we practice. So no, it was like today's demand. Maybe her role in the next match, like the overs quota of overs will change. But today we wanted those main wickets little early. We don't wanted them to go. Of course, run rate also matters for us, no. So we wanted to finish the game maybe little early and get those main wickets. That's why she was the right matchup for those batters. That's why we finish her early. Maybe she's not getting wicket, but as you rightly said, her economy, so that gives confidence to the other bowler. No, it is like batting partnership, they are doing the bowling partnership, so she contributes a lot, though she doesn't get wickets. But her being there and giving that economy, best economy, it gives confidence